Alright, so I'm calling this Project Skunkmobile. In case you hadn't guessed, this is from Toy Story 4, and this, if you haven't seen it, is Bo Peep's getaway Skunkmobile. And so I kind of love this film, not just for the fact that Bo Peep has definitely taken it up a notch in terms of just being an awesome character, but completely representing as well. But I thought, when I was watching it with my son, I thought, oh, it'd be great to buy that. Might consider getting one. Looked online. For the life of me, there is no furry, realistic, skunk-looking remote control car. There's a tiny little plastic thing that has some weird bubble-headed thing that looks like it's made in China and not even a legitimate license with Disney. So there's only really that, and it's certainly not an all-terrain thing. So I kind of thought I'd have a shot at this, and I bought basically a remote control car like this for about 16 quid, which truly is amazing how much remote control car you get for 16 quid. Looked at it like this, and obviously these things are kind of bouncy, and so I needed to look at essentially what the sort of difference is as the wheels go up and down, and then relate that to the position of where Bo Peep would sit. And there's certainly a bit of consideration because you don't want her legs to get caught in the wheels. And so then it becomes quite tricky because you actually want to get some pretty decent furry material, which I've got here. And that's about maybe sort of 8 to 10 quid's worth of fur fabric from eBay. And then of course, Bo Peep herself, which was certainly the more premium thing out of the project at about a tenner. And I kind of thought it's quite interesting because it kind of is telling me that this project is not going to be easy with the fact that you can't get this on the market because you've got all sorts of problems, like how do you stop the fur getting caught in the mechanism? And indeed, because of the cinematography, Toy Story makes it look all very spacious, as if there's loads of room inside the skunk. But actually, if you do the sort of spatial checks, it's actually pretty confined in there. And considering even the sweep of having the sort of top half of it flip over, how to make that axle so that it flips back easily but doesn't snap off when you're driving it around, easy to click down, all those sorts of things. Although I did love one little thing which I saw on Reddit, which was that apparently this is modelled from an old oil container. So the face is actually, dare I say it, quite hackery, and I love that Bo Peep is not just sort of having all the gear, but actually having to improvise and iterate. So this is totally my hero / heroine. And I'd love to have a go at this project. So this is no sort of pre-shoot. I haven't built this. This is truly day one. I don't know where it's going to go, but I think this will be pretty cool driving it around. So I'm quite excited. Wish me luck.